Hi there, it's Anna here. Welcome to Little Crochet Farm. Today I will show you how to crochet the white rabbit, one more pattern from the Wonderland collection. All the information you may need is in the description below. The written pattern is there as well, with a link to the website where you can find all the instructions and materials necessary to crochet this white rabbit. Look at this, it's a very chubby one. Also in the link in the description there is a tutorial for every stitching technique I use here, and if you have any question you can leave in the comment box below. Now let's start working and crocheting this little white rabbit. We will start here with the color that you chose for working the shirt, all right? We will here work the color that we will use later on in this pattern. So with the color of the shirt, in my case I'm using yellow, you will chain 18. All right, this is a detail that we will be using later on, so we'll just leave it on the side and prepared for now. So here I finished the 18 chains, okay, and now you will skip the first two chains here, and you will work 16 increases half double crochet. Okay, so let's go slow here. Yarn over the needle, inside the chain, yarn over and inside the loops from your needle. Okay, and you make increases, so you will work 2 half double crochet in each of these chains. All right, so I'll work here a couple of more times and then I will come back once I'm done with this. Yarn over, inside the chain, pull it through, 3 loops on your needle, yarn over, inside the 3 loops. Okay, so this is the half double crochet in case you don't know it. So you have 2 on each chains. Once you've finished, this is how it should be looking like. And here you will chain 2 and connect on the last chain here that you just worked your last 2 half double crochet. Okay, this is the result we want, and we chain 2 here so the beginning and the end looks exactly the same. So now I'm gonna cut this off and then you wave in inside this little detail here. We won't need any remaining tail here. We are not sewing this, we will crochet it together with the shirt later on the rabbit. Okay, so let us just wave this in here, and of course you'll do the same with the other side, with the tail from the other side. Okay, so this is enough for me. I will cut this off and now I'll work this other one. Super good. Now we'll start working the rabbit. So here we'll start working from legs to the head, and you work in a magic ring. Okay, so you work 6 single crochet inside a magic ring. If this video is too fast for you, check the links in the description. There is a tutorial for every stitch and technique. So there is a tutorial for the magic ring in a slow motion. Not in a slow motion, but slowly, than here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super good, so let's pull this tail, close the magic ring, and now we will continue working on for the second round. So here you work 6 increases, single crochet this time. So you work 2 single crochet inside 1 stitch. That means increase, okay? So here on the first stitch I work 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet on the next one, and so on. Here you work the repetitions all the way until the end. And here what I like to do, if you know me already, you know that I like to double secure this beginning of the tail. So I insert the yarn in a sewing needle and I wave into the first round here of the toy. So that will make my beginning, this magic circle, very tight and very nice and closed. Okay, this is super good. You see, super nice. That's what we want. Now for round 3, you will work a bit different. You will work with back post single crochet, okay? So you're going to work 12 back post single crochet. If you don't know how to make the back post single crochet, check the link in the description below. I really like this stitch. It gives a very nice shape to patterns. Alright, once you work your 12 single crochet here, you will move for round number 4 and you will work 12 single crochet. Okay, so this is super easy. Just work your 12 single crochet here and I will come back for more instructions. Super easy. Alright, so once you finish, this is how you should be looking like. And what you're going to do is you will work 2 legs, right? One you will finish off completely and the other one we will continue working. Okay, so the second one you don't cut the tail. Instead, you will change for the blue or whichever color you choose for the pants of this beautiful white rabbit. And on the last stitch, so this is my last stitch, you work a color change here. Okay, so we won't be needing the white anymore. So you chain 1. Okay, this is looking very nice for me. Now you will choose 1 stitch from the finished leg and you insert the chain that you just made, the loop from your needle, inside 1 stitch from the finished leg. Okay, and now you will work 26 single crochet, right? So 1 starts in the chain with the blue that you just crocheted, okay? And 12 around 1 leg plus 1 single crochet on the other side of the chain and again 12 single crochet from the leg. So that will give 26 stitches in total. So let's go here slow. I will show you the other side here. Okay, so once you arrive on the other side, remember that this stitch where you introduce the loop from your needle, you need to work a single crochet on it, right? So this is the first one, this is the stitch from the chain, and this is the first stitch from the leg where you introduce the loop from the needle. So count here, you should have 26 single crochet, okay? It's very important for you to have the 26 single crochet. I will just cut this white off, we won't need anymore. And I will put everything here inside this leg. Okay, so 12 single crochet from one leg, 12 single crochet from the other leg, plus the stitches from the chain in one side and one on the other side. Okay, I add my stitch marker here. In my case, I just use a piece of a different color yarn. And for the next round, you'll work a little bit different. So you'll work this, what you see on the screen, 1 single crochet, and then you will work 5 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 2 times, and then again you will work 1 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 1 increase, and repeat 2 times. Okay, so stop the video here, follow this pattern, and at the end you should have 30 stitches at the end of this round. Okay, and once you finish, this is how it should be looking like. We are starting to have a chubby white rabbit here. So for round now number 7, you will work 4 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 36 stitches at the end of the round. Once again, always count how many stitches you have at the end of each round. It's very important that you have the right amount of stitches. Okay, so you repeat this all the way around, and this is how it should be looking like. You can see that this little guy is getting very fat. So let's work a bit more. So for round number 8, you will work 5 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 42 stitches at the end of the round. Okay, so let's work here the first repetition together. And if you have any questions, just leave in the comment box below. Usually I work more fast and easier patterns in this YouTube channel, but for this collection I went a little bit over the top. 5 and increase. Super good. So let's move on here. I forgot to add my stitch marker. Okay, great. Now we arrive on the chubbiest part that we want, and we'll work for round 9 and 10, 42 single crochet. So here is the part where you relax a little bit, and you can work just your 42 single crochet, 2 rounds of it, and I will come back here once you're done. Great, so here I am on my last stitch of the previous round, and we will work again a color change. Now I will work with yellow, which is the color that I chose to work the shirt of the rabbit. So you should work with the color of your shirt, okay? And for round 11, you will work with back loop slip stitch, okay? So you will grab just the back loop of the stitch and you will make a slip stitch. All right, so that's very simple. Work your 42 and I will come back at the end. And this is how you should be looking like. Now for round number 12, you will work 42 back loop single crochet. Okay, so this time you will work again on the back loop, but crocheting single crochet. So we are working here a nice color change. So you'll have even lines division between the legs, the pants and the shirt. All right, I'm working above these 2 yarns, so I can just cut it off later. And I will catch you up at the end here for the next round. Super good, look at this. Very cute bunny. Okay, moving on now for the next round, round number 13. Here we'll start working the decreases, okay? So you work 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, and repeat 6 times or all the way until the end. And you should have 36 stitches at the end of this round. For my crochet toys, but for amigurumi in general, you should use invisible decrease, which is when you grab just the front loop of the stitches and you continue your single crochet. Okay, if you don't know how to make this, you can just check in the description box below. There is a complete tutorial for this. Super good, so we are done with the round 13 and the decreases. Now for round 14, you will work 4 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 30 stitches at the end of this round. So this is my first repetition, and here is my first decrease. All right, 1, 2, 3, and the decrease here, 4. Great. Now you can see here it's looking already a bit small. It's getting some waist here. And for round now 13, you will work 3 single crochet, 1 decrease, and repeat 6 times. Okay, so again, working here, my first repetition, 3 stitches and 1 decrease. Super good. All right, so continue here. And for round number 16, you will work 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 18 stitches at the end of this round. Okay, this is super good. I will come back once this is done. Great, look at this. This is looking very cute, this white rabbit. Now we'll stop here to add stuffing material, and then we will come back.